I know we've been talking about how dry it is here on the Suncoast lately, but you did say there might be some possible changes?
Yeah, some changes in the forecast, some rain over the weekend that could cause some problems with some plans there. We're going to talk about that in a little bit. We'll get to the weather real quick here now because we've got a lot to talk about. Tower Camp, Sarasota Bay, beautiful sunset tonight. Just a few clouds. Look at that east wind blowing the bay out toward the Gulf there. And photos sent in, this one from Damon Powers. Awesome shot, Lombo Key, and that is again featured on our Facebook page in Lombo Key. Damon Powers, appreciate that. A sailboat, nice sailboat in the background there. A lot of wind too. It's been windy tonight, breezy. Winds out of the east northeast. High temperature 90 through Friday. We're looking for that again tomorrow and Friday, and then maybe a little cooler over the weekend because of increased cloud. Mainly dry for the next 2 days at least. So we're going to stay in this high fire danger, and then rain possible for the weekend as we watch an area of disturbed weather move through the Bahamas and close to Florida. Here's the futurecast. I want to show you that real quickly. You can actually see some rotation there. It's a broad area of low pressure circulation, so it doesn't appear that if anything does develop there, it's going to be too intense, and then some of that moisture will work its way in. So Thursday and Friday look good for us. There's some showers down to our south, but then here comes the storm system kind of rolling in there, and that will bring a pretty good chance for some showers and storms to develop in the afternoon and evening on Saturday, and then at any time on Sunday. It's not going to be a washout. It doesn't look like at this point. We'll have to keep an eye on it though, as it is expected to move more toward the north as we move into the weekend. Talk about wind. It's been strong out of the east and northeast. 20 miles an hour in Anna Maria Island, 17 in Bradenton, and you can see down in Venice it's still pretty strong there at 15 miles an hour, Northport at 12. And wind isn't the best thing for fire danger because that can spread fires rather rapidly. It will stay breezy too, it looks like, on Thursday. Out of the east all day. It'll try to get out of the northwest there, but the sea breeze won't have much of a chance to develop because of that strong easterly push late in the day. So the winds brisk out of the east, and it looks like that'll continue on Friday. And with all this dry air around and high fire danger, it's not going to be the best of news. In fact, that fire danger will remain high, very high for Manatee County, and more than likely Sarasota County will be included in this on Friday. We'll be in the high category for Manatee and I should say Sarasota, Hardee, and DeSoto counties. What we need is rainfall, and it looks like we're going to get a pretty good chance of some shower activity over the weekend. That's not always the best news though. If we see isolated storms, those can sometimes cause fires as lightning will occur with a couple of those. 72 right now, the humidity at 59%. We have an east wind at 14. The pressure continues to rise at 30-21. The high today 90, just 2 degrees shy of the record. 83 is our normal, and the forecast tomorrow calling for a nice start, mid-60s. We'll warm up into the mid to upper 80s by the afternoon. No threat of any rainfall for us. Boy, the big story has been the severe weather and tornadoes that have been occurring through Kansas up to Iowa, all the way down into Texas tonight. There are numerous weather watches and warnings. These are tornado watches in effect. This is associated with a cold front that's going to get close to us. These are tornado warnings now that you see just to the east of Kansas City and northeast of Oklahoma City tonight. They're still going, and it looks like it's going to be another problem tomorrow as that front isn't moving much. The high pressure moves off to the east. That's a dominating weather feature for us. It will weaken too, getting the squeeze play by this front that I just showed you moving to the southeast, and then this low pressure area will kind of pinwheel in our direction. This is Saturday, and you'll notice that Saturday and 5:30 starting to show some showers and storms moving in our general direction, and that continues, looks like, on into Sunday. For boaters tomorrow, a bit breezy to start the day. It lessens up somewhat by midday, and then it picks back up in the late afternoon and evening. The extended forecast looks like this then. So a warm day on Thursday and Friday, and then some clouds and a good chance for a few showers and storms on Saturday and Sunday. Now at 50% on Saturday, Sunday 40%, and then a trough of low pressure kind of hangs around, keeping a slight chance for showers in through the early part of the work week next week. Jacqueline?
Okay, thanks, Bob.